Ready to learn how to write some more letters? Today's letters are C and D. So again, we're really only focusing on how to write these letters first, and then we'll make sure that we understand what sound they make and some words that start with those letters. So let's start with the letter C. The uppercase C is a tall letter. It goes all the way up to this top line. So you're going to start up here at the top, and you're going to make almost like a circle shape down to the bottom line. Same exact thing for the lowercase c, except that it doesn't go up to this top line. It only goes up to the middle line. So you start at the middle dotted line and you make a little circle shape this way. So that's how you write the uppercase C and the lowercase c. Now for the letter D. The uppercase D is a tall letter. It goes all the way up to the top line. You start up here and you go down. Then you start back up here again and you go around to the bottom line. The lowercase d is also a tall letter. So you're going to start here at the circle part. You're going to go around, up, and down. So the round part only goes up to the dotted line. The line part goes all the way up to the top. So I'm going to model for you how I want you working on these letter tracing pages. Yesterday we learned how, and I want to make sure that you understand today. So if I'm using a pencil or a pen, I'm going to start by looking at the example that they give me for the letter C. So I see that it looks like this. So I'm going to trace mine. I'm going to stay on the dotted line so that I remember what it looks like. And then I'm going to try it on my own, trying to make it look just like the examples. If I mess up, that's okay. I'm going to try it like this one. I didn't make it all the way down to the bottom line. I'm just going to try harder on the next one. So I'm holding my pencil the correct way, and I'm tracing lots and lots of times so that my hand gets lots of practice. What this is doing is teaching the muscles in my hand. And because I'm talking to you, I'm not naming the letter, but what I'd really like for you to do is to name the letter. C, C, C. Now I'm going to move to the lowercase c. So I'm looking at the example that they gave. I'm going to trace the traceable ones, and then I'm going to practice writing on my own. C, 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 C. So you would keep going. My pen is giving out, but you would keep going all the way. Same with D. I want you tracing that letter. I want you looking at the example and then tracing the letter so that you can get some practice. So you look at this one, trace the uppercase D, D, and then practice writing it on your own. D, 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 and you would fill up all of those lines. Same thing with the lowercase. You're going to look at it, you're going to trace it, D, D, and then you're going to practice D, D, going as slowly as you need to be nice and neat, but also trying to get as many in as you can.